It was a rainy night, and calm had spread everywhere. Ali realized that only those who value time truly succeed in life. He knew that every moment is precious and should never be wasted. Each raindrop reminded him that time never comes back. Ali decided to use every single day in the best possible way. While others were asleep, Ali stayed busy with hard work and study. Proper use of time changed his mindset and built confidence within him. Those who never waste time move closer to their dreams. Today, Ali is successful not only because of hard work, but because of discipline and time management. Every raindrop and every passing moment reminds him that time is the most valuable asset. Days that are not wasted lead a person toward the path of success. Remember, value your time because discipline with time is your greatest strength.